Hello everyone, welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to explore the full page view feature in Office 24 by 7, a powerful way to view, analyze, and manage your CRM records more efficiently. Unlike the standard table view, full page view allows you to browse multiple records easily, view complete record details instantly, access related information from the same screen, and customize the information displayed on record cards. All without repeatedly opening and closing individual records. This helps you save time, reduce unnecessary navigation, and work more efficiently. So, let's get started. First, navigate to any object inside the application. For this demonstration, I'll open the Opportunities object under the Sales module. By default, the records are displayed in a table view, where only the fields selected in the Fields section under Column Settings are visible. This view is useful when you need a quick overview of your records. However, if you want to review detailed information across multiple records without opening each record individually, you can switch to the Full Page View icon located at the top of the page. Once the Full Page View opens, you'll notice that the screen is divided into different sections for easier navigation and efficient record management. On the left side, you'll see the records in the panel displayed in a card layout. Each record card shows 5 important fields. For example, here I can see account name, Bright Tech Solutions, opportunity source, expected revenue, opportunity status, opportunity assigned. This layout allows you to quickly scan and compare records at a glance. Now, to view complete information, simply select any record from the list. As soon as a record is selected, the right panel displays the Record Details tab. Here you can view all the information associated with that specific record. This makes it easy to move between records while always keeping the complete details visible on the same screen. Next to the Record Details tab, you'll find the Related tab. This section displays all the objects associated with the selected opportunity, along with their related records. For example, you can view all the linked accounts, contacts, and other connected objects directly from the current page. This provides a complete business context without needing to navigate to multiple screens. Now let's see how to customize the record cards. Click on the Column Settings icon beside the Records panel. A configuration window will open, allowing you to choose the 5 fields you want to display on each record card. Select the fields that are most relevant to your daily work, and then click on Save. For example, I'll deselect Opportunity Assigned To and select Close Date instead. Then click on Save. Immediately, the record cards are updated to reflect the selected fields. This gives you quick access to the information that matters most to you. And that's how you can use the Full Page View feature in Office 24 by 7. In this video, we learned how to switch from the standard table view to Full Page View, browse records using the card-based Records panel, view complete details of selected records, access related objects and associated records, customize record cards by selecting the 5 fields you want to display on the card. By using Full Page View, you can analyze records more efficiently, reduce unnecessary navigation, and access all your important information from a single workspace. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Office 24 by 7 tutorials. See you in the next video.